You've made it through the course. Now turn it into a built thing. Below is the final project that brings every module together, and a recap of the core principles that should guide every decision from here. The final project. By completing the 90-day plan from Module 10, you should have all of these in place. A fully branded AI influencer with persona sheet, voice, and visual identity. At least 10 HeyGen videos rendered, captioned, and live. Active social media accounts on at least 2 platforms. A lead magnet that's actually valuable. A complete monetization funnel. Lead magnet. Email sequence. Offer. A 30-day publishing strategy with content scheduled out. If any of those is missing, that's where you start tomorrow. Don't keep moving forward in theory until the foundation is in place. Course Outcome Checklist. By the end of this course, you should be able to create realistic AI avatars using Midjourney, Flux, or comparable tools, maintain character consistency across hundreds of generated images, produce professional video content using HeyGen plus 11 Labs, write hooks and scripts that hold attention in the first 3 seconds, build a recognizable niche brand with consistent voice and visuals, grow an audience on social platforms through systematic content production, generate leads, capture emails, and convert subscribers into customers, launch digital products, spotlit by an AI-generated spokesperson, diagnose performance metrics and optimize systematically, scale to multiple avatars, languages, or niches. The 5 principles that don't change. Tools change quarterly. Platforms change yearly. These don't change. 1. Niche specificity wins. A specific persona for a specific audience beats a generic creator every time. The narrower your for whom and for what, the faster you grow. 2. Consistency beats brilliance. A merely good video posted every day for a year outperforms a great video posted monthly. The algorithm rewards activity. Audiences reward presence. 3. Build the asset, not the moment. Email lists, products, communities, those compound forever. Viral moments fade. Spend 80% of your time on assets, 20% on the day's content. 4. Honesty is the long game. Disclose that the avatar is AI. Disclose affiliate relationships. Audiences forgive almost anything except being misled. Build a brand that survives a decade, not a quarter. 5. Ship before you're ready. Your first 50 videos will be rough. Your first product will be flawed. Your first sales page will underconvert. Ship anyway. Iteration only happens on shipped work. Key point. If you remember nothing else from this course, AI gives you the production capacity. Discipline gives you the results. Tools without discipline produce noise. Discipline without tools moves slow. Combine them, and the leverage is enormous. Where to go from here? The natural next steps after completing this course. Deepen your niche. Go from generalist to specialist within your chosen niche. Build Product 2 and Product 3. Climb the ladder from $7 to $97 to $497. Add a second avatar. Once avatar number 1 is at 1K plus RMO, sub-niche or new niche. Explore live real-time avatars. Position for the next wave. Hire help. Scriptwriter first, then production VA, then community manager. Continue learning. Paid traffic, advanced funnels, software products. Final word. The opportunity to build a brand from a laptop with a virtual face and an automated pipeline didn't exist 3 years ago. It exists now. It will be more competitive in 3 more years. The operators who win in 2027 will be the ones who started, shipped, and iterated in 2025-2026. Not the ones who waited. You have everything you need. Go build it.